y'all. Y'all ready to eat? Got some food for you. Got some food for you. Gotta put it in the. You're eating out of the bowl. Let me put it in here. Come on. Come on, you guys. Come eat. Come on. Come and eat. Come on, sleepyheads. Come on. Come over here on the grass and pee. Don't pee on your blanket. You're going to pee on your blanket, aren't you? Got this umbrella up here. Let's move this. Brighter. Get brighter. Come on. Come on, you guys. Come on. Come over here and eat. Come on, girl. Come on. Y'all gotta get up. Come on. Want something to eat? Come on. Get over here and get something to eat. There we go. Come on. Oops. Come on, you guys. Come on. Sleepyheads. Oh, it's time to get up. It's time to get up. Come on, it's time to get up. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, boy. Let's get something to eat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You've been so nice today. So get out here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on and eat. Come on, boy. Come on. Over here, girl. Come on. Get up here and eat, boy. There you go. Get in there, Otis. Oh, you say, move over. Hey, move over. Get over there. There you go. Come on. What are you doing? Go eat. You got the claws, feet in it. There you go. Come on. There you go. Hands in it. Why are you going over there? Right here. Here. I'll get that for you. Max, come here. What you doing over there? Come here, Max. Come over here. There you go. They're going to make a mess. Put your feet in it. They have to get their feet in it. Oop. There you go. What you doing crawling on them? Put your feet out. You better get over there and eat. Come on, get over here and eat. Oh, you're over here peeing on your blanket. Oh, goodness. Pee on that blanket. You already got it dirty. Filthy. You finished? You all right, Otis? Going up underneath. What? Over there. You all right? Look at him. Or her. What you doing crawling all the way over there when you got food right there? Got food right there. Always got to put your feet in it. Marley. Marley, what are you doing? She's sitting there waiting on me to get her in here to finish up the food they don't eat. Here. Stop it.